Thank you for watching this YouTube channel. My name is RS Trading, and here we are now, end of the week, and I think we had a great deal. All the trades are winning. We didn't have any stop loss or our personal group on a Telegram channel. And if you're watching this video and if you wanted to join my personal trading group, you can trade what I trade. So link is in my description to follow Instagram and also the Telegram channel. All you gotta do to make an account under my IB, simple as that. Okay, so we're gonna start with the weekly frame as usual. Here we go with the weekly time frame. First of all, what we are looking at, the trade is, we know every day we are talking about that the trend is actually an uptrend, and price is still not coming down and not breaking below, as the market structure is saying that by the end of year or the beginning of 2025 the market could reach to 30,000. So is it really true the market go 28 between the end of November, or if 2850 around here 29 will be before December, then it look like definitely market gonna make 30,000 or 3,000, whatever you can call. Okay, so let's see what we are looking at every weekend on this video, the gold analyze. What we are looking to buy or sell on Monday market open. Look, in the future, what the simple method is, future nobody knows, and we only can trade 90% as a technical. Okay, fundamental maybe 10 or 20%, but total 90% we can predict. But there's 10% that nobody can predict exactly 100%, because nobody know what market exactly going to do. So in that reason, we have to manage our risk. We must have a discipline and rules, trading rules. Okay, so let's begin. I'm gonna start with the usual, just like before I usually do, our support levels for weekly, and 2, 3. Okay, and we have this higher price, all-time higher right here, and these are the labels for right now for me. One more right over here. Okay, so I'm gonna jump back to the daily time frame from weekly. Weekly is why, because weekly candle is closed yesterday or today morning, according to your continent where you live. I live in Japan, so here morning 5:30 the market is closed. Okay, so daily market, what we are looking at in a line chart, it's a new method I'm telling you guys, because line chart you don't have a wick, you all have the bodies, so it's easy to predict, for in my opinion. So what we look in a market structure and go higher, and now market is right here, right? So it could be pattern to make people trap that the market is going high, because this pattern is still look like an HNS. HNS means head and shoulder. Okay, head and shoulder. So if we look at this pattern, so what pattern does, it fly above, trapping people to go market going above, then market dump, also possible. So still we have, but in the base of rule, if HNS market need to be break, it has to break a certain area, the left shoulder, neckline, right shoulder, and it has to be break the neckline beautifully, creating a new low, then wait for the retest and continuation. Okay, this is on a daily time frame anyway. So let's go back to our candle chart. Okay, let's make here some line. For example, if market wanted to go down, what we are looking for, we're looking for this zone to be break 2709, something like that, because this has a big body and the wick, the body and the wick. This is our support zone on a daily time frame, and we have This is daily time frame. Remember, I'm keep saying it, daily time frame. And this we have the all-time high, the resistance. Okay, let's go back to jump to 4-hour chart frame. In chart frame 4-hour, what we're looking at, it's in a range area kind of, but in a range area also you can be have a patient. But if you want to make a daily average amount of money according to your scale, you find out your support levels like this. These are the support levels where you see the price is going above, higher, once, twice, 3 times, right? Then the price reaching the same area and not breaking down below. That means it being respected. That's why yesterday 4-hour chart frame, I given an option to my personal group that 4-hour is bullish, the price can be go higher. Okay, so if you don't have an education, I request each and everyone, whoever joined me, whoever text me, that first, if you don't have an education, please learn as a basic, spend some few months, then come to this market, because otherwise you're gonna lose very, very easily. Okay, so what we are looking at, we got a strong support. It's not breaking down, and price is break above the trend line here. So what we're looking at, we don't know exactly, is this resistance is still valid? Is this resistance still valid or not? We never know that. So Monday, if we're looking for a sale or buy, let's go to 1-hour time frame. Remember, if you want to analyze the market, only you can from higher time frame to lower time frame. Okay, all right, so 1-hour time frame, we have this here beautiful trend line. Once we look at this trend line, you can pull it over all the way here, little squeezing. Okay, you can pull this trend line all the way down. You see, so beautiful. So looking at the trend line, we look at the trend line is respecting, keep making a higher high here, trend break, create a lower. This is what I explained also in my short video on my personal channel. Price come back, respecting this area. For example, let me make it respecting this breaking zone area. That's my price reaching here, boom, continuation, boom. But still support is strong, so not breaking 27. You can call 27 13 12 or 27 8. It's not breaking it. So what happened the next in 1 hour, you have this resistance which is being taken now. For example, let's make this color. Okay, now we'll be looking in 1 hour, making it a little bigger, stretch this screen. If we look at this 1 hour, for example, this is resistance, but this resistance was taken, is break above, and price is continuing high. So it's possible the next Monday the market will open, it's gonna drown down first. For example, if it's the trend line break above, retesting, making higher, so this zone is still valid, price can go up, fly new high, then dump back to retest this breaking zone. Is possible. There's a two major rules in trading whenever you trade. So whenever you trade, if price making a high here, the previous resistance break, new high generated, the new high has to, if continuation fly, do not chase, wait for the resistance become support, the market will come back. Once it's come back, you execute target, you buy, then your target will be above this previous high, then market will go and creating new high. I hope you understand this small message from me on this video. But still, if you wanted to learn, there's a personal mentorship one-on-one, and you can check my work on through my Telegram channel and also on my Instagram, the feedback from my students. Okay, so if you have any personal inquiry or you can call. If any related consult, you can DM me on my Instagram. You can find a link in my description. So Monday, what I'm looking at, if I want to buy, simple is that. Very, very simple. Pay attention now. This is the main part. This price is being broken. For example, this price is being broken above, creating high. Last zone is this. If market could reach it here, wait for the little liquidity, and we wanna sell. It's a loss. If you don't take a risk over here, there's no way to have any risk otherwise, because here the market is closed. You see market respecting, breaking new high, so this zone is still valid. Break or shut, go up, market come down, then maybe it's gonna continue fly. So if market comes nearby 27.57, the all-time high, you definitely want to sell. That's one short position to take in a risk and get your reward. Market have a break-up structure right here. If market come back down there, you buy. Simple as that. This is for Monday trade. Before any mistake, watch this video again and again. If you do not understand, you always can DM me on my Instagram related to this video. You always can comment on YouTube under this video. I wish you guys a happy weekend and great day all. Thank you very much.